In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all images and videos created in Gemini AI. If you've ever generated something cool in Gemini AI and wondered where it went, this walkthrough will make it crystal clear. We'll look at where your creations are stored and how to view the exact prompts you used so you can learn from them, reuse them, or refine them next time. First, open your Gemini account. Use the web or the app, whatever you prefer, and sign in if you're not already. Opening your account ensures Gemini can link you to your personal workspace, so everything you've created shows up under your profile. If you use multiple profiles at work or school, just make sure you're signed in with the same account you used when you made the content. Once you're in, click My Stuff. This is the central place where Gemini organizes your creative outputs. Think of it like your personal gallery. Here, you'll see thumbnails for the images and videos you've generated with Gemini's tools. It's designed to make everything easy to scan at a glance, so you can quickly recognize the piece you're looking for by its preview and creation date. If you've been experimenting a lot, give it a moment. Large libraries may take a second to load, and if nothing appears, double-check you're in the right account and that your connection is stable. Inside My Stuff, you can browse through all your visuals in one place. Each item you see here was created through Gemini's image or video generation features, and Gemini keeps them neatly grouped so you don't have to dig through separate chats to find what you need. When you spot something you want to revisit, click it. Opening a specific image or video will show you more details about that piece, including the original prompt you used to generate it. This is incredibly helpful. You can review what worked, spot phrasing that produced great results, and copy that prompt to iterate further. If you're documenting your workflow or collaborating with a teammate, keeping track of your exact prompt can save a lot of time and ensure consistency. As a best practice, avoid sharing any sensitive details that may appear in your prompts. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click My Stuff to see everything you've created, and then open any item to view the prompt behind it. With this simple flow, your images, videos, and creative process are always easy to find and build upon.